Now children, adverse effects of junk food on health. First, junk food can cause obesity. Children, obesity means excessive body fat. Obesity means consumption of storage of excessive body fat, or in simple language we can say overweight. If children, if any person is eating junk food regularly, that person can get excessive body fat or may become overweight. Okay, it also can cause heart problems. It may lead to memory and learning problems also. It can cause digestive problems also, because that junk food do not have any nutrient, do not have any roughage. Okay, and roughage makes our digestion smooth. If it lack the roughage, so it can increase the digestive problems. It can cause diabetes also, and the problems related to blood pressure. So children, these are the adverse effect of junk food on our health. So we can say that junk food, if we consume the junk food regularly, it can make us unhealthy. Now, ways to make diet more healthy. Okay children, to be a healthy person, we have to consume a diet that contain all the essential nutrients. Okay children, but two methods are given here in your book that makes your diet more healthy. Okay, first method is sprouting and second is fermentation. Okay, so first of all we will study about the sprouting. Sprouting is a method in which raw seeds are made to germinate artificially. Okay, sprouting is a method to make our food more healthy. In this method we have to take raw seeds, and these seeds are made to germinate artificially. How we can germinate these seeds artificially? See the method. Different steps are given here. First step, okay, take pulses like moong dal, black gram, and wash with water. Okay, in first step, what you have to do, children, in this during the lockdown, you are in your homes, so you can also prepare this type of breakfast for your family and for your own. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to take pulses like moong dal and black gram. Okay, and wash them properly with water, and then allow to soak them in water for overnight. Okay children, you have to soak these pulses after washing properly for overnight. In second step, what you have to do, next day in morning, okay, next day in morning you have to drain out the water and then wrap these soaked seed in a wet cotton cloth. Okay, and then suspend this cloth by any support. Okay, you can hang that cloth. Okay, and third step, keep the cloth wet by sprinkling water over it. What you have to do, you have to keep that cloth in which seeds are kept, those soaked seeds are kept, you have to keep that cloth wet by sprinkling water over it. Okay, and in last step, you will find that the seeds get sprouted next day. Okay, so children, in next when you will see that those seeds next day, you will observe that the seeds get sprouted. Okay children, these are the soaked seeds. Okay, these are the gram seeds, and when you soak these seeds and make them sprouted seeds, when you will make them sprouted seeds, then you will see these sprouted seeds are looking like these seeds. Okay, so these sprouted seeds, if you consume these seeds in your breakfast, these seeds are very healthy for your body. Okay children, next method to make your diet more healthy is fermentation. in this method, microorganisms like bacteria are used to convert one food into another. So children, what is the method of fermentation? In this method, microorganisms like bacteria are used to convert one food item into another. Example like this, milk. Milk is a food item, and by the method of fermentation we can convert milk into curd and cheese also. Okay, so this is called fermentation, and this curd and cheese, these are very healthy for the body because these are rich in calcium. Okay children, so bacteria that convert the milk into curd, the name of that bacteria is lactobacillus bacteria. So children, microorganisms are used for the process of fermentation, and this microorganism is bacteria that convert milk into curd, and the name of this bacteria is lactobacillus bacteria. Beta, the name of bacteria is not given in your book, so you can write this and the name of this bacteria in your book. Okay, thank you.